Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous Excel tutorial. Today we're working on CC7, create line plots. So before starting this module, I would encourage you to look at Excel CC6, which is taking line plots and determining information from them. In this particular Excel, what we're going to do is we're going to take information, then create line plots. So if you did CC6 already, you're going to notice this one's actually backwards. You're creating the graph instead of the table. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. So to better understand library usage patterns, a librarian figured out how many books were checked out to some patrons last year. A patron is like a customer of the library, by the way. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. So now if you look at the graph here, everything has been provided except for 3. So if I hover over 3, notice I can choose how many X's to put in. So instead of clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, it's really nice because I just hover over how many I need and it's ready to go. Now, because I'm looking for 3 books checked out for that graph, I'm going to go up to here where it says 3 and match it up. And if I count the tallies here, we got 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 here. So what I want to do is just simply match it. So for 3, I want to put 8 plots. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's that easy. That's what we're doing today. Just taking the information, finishing the tables. In this case, we got 8 threes. There we go. First 10 points. All right. A game show viewer monitors how often a wheel numbered 1 through 5 stops at each number. Use the data in the table to complete the line plot below. And if you look at the 9 plot, we are looking for a 4. So if I take a look at 4, oh, how nice. They even gave us a digital number of 9 instead of the tallies. So we just need 9, right? So here we go. We need a total of 9. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like they gave us the right amount on that one. Thank you, IXL, for making this so easy. Just awesome. All right. For a study on numerical physiology, people polled about which number between 1 and 5 they like most and why. Oh, how interesting. What number do I like between 1 and 5? I don't know. I think I like 4. I don't know why, but I don't know. 4 is a nice number. Select the X's to clear a column. All right, so we're going to graph for the 4. Oh, funny how I said 4 because that's the one we're looking for. I didn't even notice it. Okay, favorite number for 4. And we need to go to 4 and take a look. 2 sets of 5s is equal to 10. So we need 10 tallies. And from what it looks like right here, I think they gave us 10 X's too. So I think we're just going to pick all of them again. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, perfect. All right. Okay, we got a game show program. Record the number of scores of its contestants. A contestant is somebody that's playing on the game show, basically trying to win some money, win a prize, win a car, whatever it might be. Use the data to complete the line plot below. In the line plot, we are looking for the score of 8 of how many times it occurs. If you take a look at 8, it occurs 7 times. So we need to put a 7 within the 8. So here we go. We got 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And double count them if you're not sure, because if you click on the wrong one, yeah, you're going to get it wrong. But just count carefully on that. Okay, now they're getting a little bit trickier. I'm on a smart score of 36. They want me to fill out a 6 and an 8 on the card game. So it's really not that difficult. You're just doing it twice now. So we got 4 6s. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 8, we got 3 8s. They went easy on us, right? They didn't make it too difficult. So here we go. 3 8s. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Line plot complete. That takes up to 43. And once you get in the 40s, you're doing the entire thing. But it's not hard. Just take it one step at a time. So here we go. We got 1 4. 1. We got 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 4 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 7 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 10 eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 2 nines. 1, 2. And we got 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Come on, that wasn't that hard. That was pretty easy. Anybody can do that. Count carefully. So again, count carefully. You get one of these wrong, the whole thing's wrong. I took my chance on that one. I got it right. All right, made it a little bit easier. We're looking for the eights. We got 4 eights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. All right. Let's see. We are looking for 3. So how many number of stuffed animals? We got 2 students with 3 stuffed animals. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right. Now they get a little bit trickier, and they're giving us different amounts of data. So instead of giving us in a table, they're giving us in numeric form. So we need to count the number of 6s. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 6s. So I'm going to count up 7. So on 6, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now I need to count the number of 7s. That is my other missing piece of information. So I got, I like the way I did it before. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4 7s. So for 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Moving right along. Back to our tally tables. Tally tables are pretty easy. You need to know the number of 1s. So who's going to the library last month? 2 people are going to the library last month. And this one we're going to do completely on our own from scratch, but take our times. We got 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1. 3s got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 6. 1, 2. All right, another one of these, and they weren't very nice. Come on, IXL. Why aren't you being nice to me? You really got to give me all these numbers that are out of order, and you make me do all of them? It was brutal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross them out as I go, and I'm going to count. This is how I do it, all right? Now, if you guys want to do it this way, you can, or write them down on a sheet of paper and then cross them out, you can. Whatever works for you, right? All right, so starting with zeros, I'm going to count all the zeros and going to cross them out so that way I know I don't have any zeros left. So here we go. I'm going to look at the first row. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So now match that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just double checking. All right, cool. Okay, now we're going to count up all the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count up all the 2s. There we go. No 2. There we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 2s. So 5 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count up all the 3s. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 threes. A lot of threes. So we got 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the last one, count up all the 4s. Looks like a lot of 4s. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were a lot of 4s. There's 10 4s. And I believe it maxes out at 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, maxes out at 10. And that's how we do those. Yeah, it took a little bit of time, but I just crossed them out. And when you cross them out, it helps you keep track. This one's a little bit easier. We're only looking for 3. Thank goodness, not all of them. So we're looking for selling cookies. We got sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes. So we're going to go and pick 6 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, last one. We're at a smart score of 78, headed for a smart score of 81. We need all the 4s and 5s. Okay, for the 4s, we got 6 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tallies. Where that 6 come from? Right here. Here's the 6 tallies. And for the 5, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah. All right, this concludes this fabulous tutorial for IXL CC7 Create Line Plots. Have a fabulous day.